Hey, rewrite fans, did you just so happen to step across my Shimeji but didn't know how to get it started? Well, don't you fret. I can help you with that. First order of business. Actually have Java installed. Can't really have your program run if you don't have a program to begin with. And with that out of the way, let's get right into it. Once you have downloaded the file, you will be greeted with Rewrite Shimeji.exe. You will right-click and extract the file. And listen, I know it's scary, but be not afraid. Click that button and extract the file. You know, since you're here though, I would like to go through some of the comments you left in my previous video. I'm sure you have a lot of great questions. So let's begin. Nope, it's completely safe. And no, I had to put it on my computer to even get it to work. Seriously, why would I make a virus of a character I like?
Hey!
What?
So what if I am a virus?
Come here, you.
Put me down!
I already explained it. Now scram! Seriously, what's up with that guy? And once it's all extracted, you'll get the file Rewrite Shimeji. You can open that up there. Click it again. Right here. Pull this shortcut right to your desktop. Like this. Fix it here. Double-click and... Oh, it doesn't work. But don't worry, I think I got a solution. Instead, take the jar file and make a path of that. Copy as path. And once that's done, you pull that out to where it was. Fix that. And then we'll go to Properties. And right here, you can change the icon. Once you click the Browse button, it'll be right there. If it doesn't show up like that, you can just search up Ico, and it'll show up right there. Once you change a shortcut, you can go back. And once it's fixed, you can go over there and rename it to Sonic.exe for that little bit of immersion. And once that's fixed, you can then double-click it, and then it'll actually run this time. And there he is. All right, so we got that, but what about those Windows interactions? While you have the rewrite running, you'll waltz over the corner of your screen. Over here, the hidden icons. He also did that too while I was recording. Look down here. There they are. Right-click that. You'll right-click the rewrite icon, and it'll pull up this menu. Here you can disable some of those pesky little things that he does. But most importantly, here is the settings. Once you click that, it'll show this menu, so we'll go to Interactive Windows, and you'll write the interactive window you wish. You gotta write it correctly. And then once you have that, click OK and then Add, and then Done, and then I'll reset the Shimeji. And after that's finished, he'll drop back down. And once that's good, he'll be able to interact with your windows. The possibilities are endless. With this added, they can also throw your windows. But you see, I'm not really done with this product. I want to improve on it further. You see, I want this character to be its fullest potential. I want it to be able to evolve in the different forms it takes. I want it to be able to interact with itself. I want to interact with other characters. I might even get Springless in on this. Get the other characters in there. You might see another evolution of this soon. Leave a comment, give me your thoughts, and I'll see you next time.